Ever wondered why plants smell so darn good? Well, buckle up because we're about to dive into the mind-blowing world of essential oils and their incredible roles in plant life. Picture this. Plants are like tiny warriors fighting off invisible invaders. They produce essential oils as their secret weapon, loaded with antimicrobial and antifungal compounds to fend off pesky pathogens like bacteria and fungi. And guess what? When we snag these oils from plants like tea tree, oregano, and thyme, we're tapping into nature's own medicine cabinet to boost our immune systems and kick infections to the curb. But wait, there's more. Essential oils aren't just defenders, they're also matchmakers. Plants use these oils to seduce pollinators with their sweet and floral scents, ensuring a steamy rendezvous that leads to successful pollination. And when we get our hands on oils like lavender, jasmine, and ylang-ylang, we're not just getting a whiff of romance, we're soaking up happiness and banishing stress with every breath. Now let's talk about plant growth. It's a wild ride. Essential oils are like the plant's personal trainers, regulating everything from germination to fruit ripening. And when we snag oils like rosemary, peppermint, and eucalyptus, we're not just getting a burst of freshness, we're turbocharging our brains, boosting energy levels, and becoming productivity powerhouses. Last but not least, plants face their fair share of environmental drama. From scorching heat to bone-chilling cold, they need all the help they can get. Enter essential oils, armed with antioxidants that fend off free radicals and protect cells from oxidative damage. And when we swipe oils like frankincense, lemon, and geranium, we're not just pampering our skin, we're slowing down aging, reducing inflammation, and embracing the fountain of youth. So, my amazing audience, let's wrap this up with a mind-blowing revelation. Essential oils. They're not just about sweet scents, they're Mother Nature's superheroes, battling villains, sparking romance, and maintaining harmony in the great outdoors. And guess what? When we embrace their extraordinary abilities, we're not just indulging in self-care, we're unlocking the secret to a life filled with boundless health and happiness. So let's harness the power of nature and embark on this incredible journey together.